Hello and welcome to Dragonflower Gardens. I want to thank all my returning subs, and if you're new here, we talk about gardening, seed saving, food preservation, animal husbandry, and agricultural news that affects you. So if that's what you're about, make sure you're subscribed, and let's get into it today. Today, we're harvesting the corn, the hard corn. So this is glass gem corn, and the best part about this corn is when you open it up and you get to see how pretty it is on the inside. So let's get after it. But first, let's find out how tall this really is. Alright, I was a little off. It's about 13 feet. I said 18 feet, and I was a little bit off. That's a lot of corn. Alright, that's a lot of corn, you guys. Let's see what we got. Pretty nice size. Sticking some of these open to see what's in here. Wow. Look at that one. It's like an Easter egg hunt. You know, when you first undo your tie-dye. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, I see it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. goodness, you guys, how fun is that, right? I'm not sure if I have more fun undoing the corn or digging up the potatoes. I'm telling you, so much fun. Let it dry, harden. Once it's dried, we can just pop it right off of the kernels, right off of the cob. Use it for popcorn or milling or, well, I don't know. You'll have to find out later on. See what we do with it, huh? Look at that. Beautiful, huh? This one's my favorite. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got all the colors in it. It's got greens and yellows and purples, blues, reds, burgundies. Oh my goodness. This is just too much fun. Too much fun. Right there. Are you loving that? That's the glass gem corn. So if you guys like that, give me a thumbs up.